to get my headphones and be on my way.
No, there is nobody.
Please, 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 please.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Go away, go away, go away. Hey, give me that shoe back.
Make sure you get those packages in as early as possible because you can't catch them all.
It's mine. Yeah? One moment, please, one picture.
I don't know about Amazon, but when I approach the mailman for my mail, he usually asks for ID. Would you ever leave $300 cash under your doormat? Check this out.
Hey, yo, bro. Hey, yo. Yo, right here. Hey, man, I seen one of y'all been down to pick that money up from under that mat, too.
I just put whatever I found, put it under here, Bobby.
Nah, man, I seen you put that $25 in your pocket, man.
I put it back in over here, Bobby. I just stole my bus and I found it and you told me to put it back over here.
Even last time, bro, I had like $300 up under there. You took that shit too, bro.
Nah, this is the first time and I told my boss
Hey,
and I
no,
just
hey, don't
put it
worry
back
about
over
it.
here,
Hey,
bro.
I'm on my way home right now. You stay right over there. I'm on my way home right now. Stay right there.
All right.
It's just a terrible idea. I wouldn't leave 2 quarters under the doormat.
Hey, $25 is here. Give me the 5 so I can put it back over here.
I'm coming.
Excuse me.
Yeah. I'll put these right here, boo. I was getting everything. Everything's good.
Why you keep coming over taking stuff?
I thought this was empty like that one.
Can I help you?
Oh no, I thought I was
Right. Get off
my weed.
What can I do for you?
Yeah, I thought it was empty. That's why I'm glad I just said that. You can rewind it.
What?
I thought this was a vacant apartment.
This stay off my fucking porch. Whoever it was just trying to do the keypad on my door, on my gate. Some girl. How can I help you?
I'm looking for Melissa McElvain.
Wrong address.
Okay.
Don't forget to invest in a locked mailbox just in case. Tax season's right around the corner.
Hey, what you doing, bro? Huh? What are you doing? Why are you standing by my mailbox? I was closing it. No, the other day you came by too and you opened my mailbox. I did. I got a video, bro. I got cameras on my house. Here, stay away from this house, man. I'm trying to call the police. Everything's on camera, man. You recorded. Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. Wrong door. Okay. They're in the shed.
Get out of our shed.
Don't forget about your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and pickup locations you can grab them from.
Yo, bring that package back.
Check this out. They come and mess this guy's truck up. I'm not sure why they let this go on so long. Shots should have been rang out right when they damaged that first headlight.
Welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Please leave
Let me
a
know what you guys
message.
think about this one. Is this another location scam? He mentions the
Hello?
police, but when the owner mentions the police, he disappears.
I was at a basketball court and I left my headphones out there, and it's pinging to this location. I think somebody might have grabbed them.
What are you saying? Who are you?
Oh, um, I went to play basketball today, and someone ended up snatching my headphones from the basketball court, and it's pinging to this exact location. I was just trying to see if maybe someone might have had them on the inside. I'm just trying to get my headphones and be on my way.
No, there is nobody here that left anything. I'm sorry.
No, I'm saying like I went to play basketball, and I think somebody might have grabbed them and came here. My phone is showing me this exact location
For what?
for headphones, AirPods.
There is no way that nobody was here.
Okay, well, I'm just saying, this is where the location is showing me. I definitely don't want to get the police or anything like that involved. I just wanted to get my headphones.
Oh, I don't know what
I'd
are you
even give a
talking
cash
about.
reward.
I'm telling you what. Actually, if you want, I can call the police because I don't know what are you talking
Okay,
about.
that's cool too. All right. Well, you ain't got to call them. I'll call them. It's all good. Appreciate it. Have a good night.
Okay, bye.
Now you don't have to call him. That's crazy.
Yeah. Oh, what's that?
If you're not home often, try to get a friend or a trusted neighbor to grab your packages for you.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Looks like we got a tweaker
Please,
at the
please,
door.
please, please,
Please arm yourselves in these days and
please,
times. You never
please,
know what these
please,
people
please,
are capable of.
please, 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 please.
Check out the Patreon in the description below for an ad-free experience and exclusive videos that I can't post here on YouTube. Only $1 a month, cancel anytime. This thief gets confronted after stealing this package.
I'm still calling the cops. But you can't come on here. Oh, did he?
Hey, return my package.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please throw me a like, share, and subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, let me know your thoughts. I love reading your comments.
Hey, get the fuck out of my yard. Get the fuck out of here. I'm gonna come beat the fuck out of you. How y'all doing? Y'all inside y'all right? Yeah. Okay. That's all. Thank you. And whatever you do, just let somebody know down there. And I'll do it. Okay. I'm Michelle. Thank you.